What is going on, everybody? In this video, I am going to be going over exactly how I trade. So I posted this on Twitter today. My entire trading strategy on a note card, dots for momentum, inversions for mean reversion, NQ stats for confluence, jingle, jangle. And this fella, Sam I am 711, explained this in today's YouTube video, LOL. I will do that. So this is today's session. On the left, I have NQ on a 1-minute chart, MNQ. On the right, I have ES, again, on a 1-minute chart, the dots bias indicator above. So what I mean is when I say dots for momentum is, so the market opens up at 9:30. This blue line is the VWAP. We're holding the VWAP, holding the VWAP. So at 9:40, we get the first closure of the first column of all red dots. Using something called the one dot entry function, you can sell the close of the 1-minute candle that corresponds with the column of all red dots. And I like to use the ATR. At the time, it was about 16 points. Not sure why that's. So dots for momentum. So the market is chopping around on a 1-minute chart. This 1-minute candle, you short here, look for 16 points, the ATR, trade one, winner. Dots get mixed, they reset, red again, shorting the close of the 1-minute candle that corresponds with one column of all red dots. The ATR was about 23 points. You have London, Asia lows to the left. I like to take dot setups towards liquidity, towards obvious targets. So London, Asia lows would qualify. And then there was another setup after this one little 1-minute candle of reset. And then again. So that's what I mean by dots for momentum, towards obvious liquidity, towards obvious profit targets. And then what I mean by inversions for mean reversion, using NQ stats, this is exactly what I mean. So on the right, you have NQ stats, basically using hourly data, hourly statistics. So right here, 10 a.m., if the 9 a.m. Low, prior hour low is swept, the odds of the open of the 10 a.m. candle getting hit are very high if the sweep happens in the first 20 minutes. And the actual number is about like 84% probability. So back to NQES, you can see on a larger time frame, maybe if I can do this. So this is Wednesday, yesterday's low, and you can see we made a lower low on NQ. We made a higher low on ES. ES has been way stronger, so getting down to a micro level, you can see, so 10 a.m. candle, we sweep the 9 a.m. hourly low, we get an SMT. So here we make a lower low on NQ and a higher low on ES. And then really scrolling in, we get a little inversion right here. This 1-minute candle closes above the inversion, risking the lows, and this blue line is the hourly open, which is right here. So just play that out on replay. So right here we have an SMT. The NQ hourly stats are suggesting that there's a high probability of the hourly open getting hit. So right here we close above this inversion. That's good enough for long. Risk the lows, target the open, hourly open. And this is what I mean by a mean reversion setup. So we were trending down, mean revert back to the hourly open. So dots setups for momentum, mean reversion, inverted setups for mean reversion, using the NQ stats to have data to support it. So Sam I am 711. There you go. Thank you.